All right, so check this out. On top of the album, me and Fish and Kalani have a surprise for y'all. And it's something they're not going to expect it. No. But I will say this. R.I.P. and shout out to our boy, who? Mac Miller. Still no release date. Well, I can't give one. If I give a release date, you know who I'm talking about, but there'll be three stooges somewhere who's like, hey, let's go to the studio, talk about doing rapping, doing punching, doing fighting, just to release the same day I do. No. Keeping it a secret until I don't want to keep it a secret. It's coming soon, but there's too many degenerates trying to drop the same day I am. So I'm keeping it secret. They already bugged me enough. Ryan Upchurch this, Ryan Upchurch that, Ryan Upchurch hit me with a wiffle ball bat. This is the only group of musicians in music that got headlines about them. They have never headlined a show. So, I mean, here's your white ribbon. If you want me to take you serious, you gotta act serious. No, you don't have to act serious. You have to be serious. Like, are always like, why don't nobody for country rap? Why don't Yellow Wolf country rap? Because Yellow Wolf is a artist, dude. Like, he's an artist. He don't want to be in an art room with a bunch of rascals who are like kicking over the water cup for the paintbrushes and like destroying the canvas. So he went to another room and shut the door because he don't want to listen to what is going on now. Like, whether you like Yellow Wolf or not, you gotta respect him for being one of the most innovative OGs in this. And bro, I've been around him enough. I've learned some over the years, dude. That's all I'm saying. Another thing that this lane of music don't do is y'all don't put respect on anybody's name. Like, dude, like I said, if you don't like him, whatever, but you gotta give respect to Colt Ford. You have to give respect to Big Smoke. You have to give respect to the Georgia Boys. You have to give respect to Lenny Cooper. You have to. They set down some stones to keep paving the way. And all these up-and-comers are like, we with them down more, we're the new wave. No. This is not how this works. You have to respect the people that came before you. You ain't gotta like them, but you gotta respect them. Because if you don't, I'm not gonna with you. And I'm the roadblock right now. So put some respect on their names. So I can't let y'all see the album cover, so that's why I'm shaking it like this. But Fish is messing with it right now. And it's gonna look cool. I'll post it in a minute so y'all can see it. Bro, Kalani don't brag on himself, so I'm gonna brag for him. Yo, Kalani is shitting on folks right now, bro. He don't ever say nothing about it.
I don't gotta say that.
Damn straight you ain't gotta say dog. Okay. Bro, wait till y'all hear this album. Kalani, is this album not fire, bro?
Yeah.
Fish.
Fire.
How many heartbreaks in my heart think that my brain?
I was trying to mimic moves from Michael Jackson's Thriller. I thought
It is, what time is it?
1:12.
1:12. This is the latest your boy has stayed up in a long time. We're still in the yo. Bro, they're gonna love the surprise.
Oh yeah, they gonna love it.
Bro, me, Fish, and Kalani have a surprise for y'all. Just tomorrow. You'll see it tomorrow. Would you consider reading the Bible before speaking on it? Prayers for you and your fam. Would you consider the fact that maybe I don't have to read the Bible to believe in Jesus? Just because you have to read it doesn't mean I have to. I see Jesus in different ways. I see him out in nature. I believe in him. So why do you want me to read a book? I understand that it's like this, it's a story and all that. I get it. But we don't know how much it's been changed, player. What's a movie you think everyone should watch? Age of Disclosure. Can you astral project? I could do more than that. Astral projection's fun, but literally sitting in a room with people watching a movie, and then I turn and look at somebody, and I get up and I go to the refrigerator and I open it, and I get one single piece of cheese out, and I walk to the group in the room,
And I hand it to the person, and they're like, what the fuck? And I was like, you were thinking about a piece of cheese. You wanted a piece of cheese. And they're like, how the fuck did you know that? I'm like, good guess. I was just guessing. What is your next tattoo going to be? Julius Caesar. Thoughts on magic and interstellar beings and spirituality. I think black magic has to be done by people who are on the dark side. They have to try really hard to make and manipulate things. There are people on Earth that have been sent here and are encrypted by the Creator. And they're here to fix little pieces of the puzzle. And the people that fuck with those people, their life turns to shit because, like I said, it's an encrypted person. AKA something that's alien. Now, if terrestrials are, in fact, extraterrestrial, and some terrestrials are just solo terrestrial, and some weird scientist was like, I think I can play God. Well, he thought wrong, you know. Why are you the way that you are? God sent me here like this. How many old girls twerking could an old girl twerk if an old girl could girl twerking? Depends on if they did it on purpose. Old girl twerking. She did it on purpose. Yes, that is true. Chaz is my cousin. Chaz, if you see this, love you, bro. Your recent post, there's a ghostly face in the fire to the right. I don't doubt that.
No matter where life takes me, find me with a smile.